Hello traders, welcome back to Pips Traders YouTube channel. Thank you for your continuous support to my channel. And if you are new to my channel, we have a dedicated Telegram channel for our subscribers where we discuss about possible trading opportunities, give clarification on trading ideas. You can find the links to our Telegram channel below. Please use these links to join our Telegram channel. So today in this video, we are going to be doing weekly review of Euro USD currency pairs. Let us analyze on what has been the last week price action and predict on what could be the future price actions for the coming week. As we had analyzed earlier, the support and resistance remains the same. Still, this is acting as a strong resistance. We have the support from the previous price action acting as a support. We also know that current price action has taken support at this point here and has started its uptrend. And presently, it is on a very nice uptrend. And when we notice the price action more closely, we can notice that from this area, the price hasn't moved anywhere. It went and tested this resistance, rebounced, again tested it, again rebounced, again looks like moving towards the resistance here. But it hasn't broken this resistance area here. And it was traveling on a channel pattern. We have a daily dynamic resistance from daily time frame, this red color line running over here. So this is going to be acting as a very strong resistance. If the trend needs to go up, if the bullish trend needs to continue its uptrend, it has to first break this resistance over here, which was acting as a support previously. Then only it can start its uptrend. And also we have a dynamic resistance here. So it has a two resistance stopping it from going forward with this uptrend. Let us do the analysis in hourly time frame. I'm in hourly time frame now. When we notice it in hourly time frame, it is nicely traveling in a channel pattern. And we have the resistance from daily time frame here and dynamic resistance from daily time frame. These both are preventing the current price action starting its bullish trend. And when we look at it more closely, the price has tried to breach this area several times and it has failed. And presently, you can see it is traveling within a range and it is actually forming into a triangle pattern. So from here, it started its uptrend, it retraced a little, again it started its uptrend, again retraced, but downside movement has been restricted. It hasn't broken this dynamic support also, and consolidation is going on around here. From the price action, we understand that it is again trying to break this resistance over here, but looks like it has failed one time, second time also it has failed, and third time also it is trying to break it. Let us hope it breaks and starts its bullish trend, but I understand that it is losing its, we might see a trend reversal to happen. So if the trend reversal happens, this will be the area. So if a breakout happens, it has to break the support over here. Then when it falls, the maximum level or level that is going to be acting as a support is going to be over here. This is going to be acting as a support. Maybe a trend reversal could happen, retest the resistance again. Let us do the analysis in 30-minute time frame. So from the daily time frame, we know that it is forming into a triangle pattern and upside momentum has reduced. The bullish momentum has reduced. So we might see a trend reversal at any time. As long as it is within this support, we can see a chance of bullish trend to continue. Let us analyze the trading ranges for Monday. So the trading ranges are going to be, this is going to be acting as a strong resistance. Any break above this, a bullish trend will continue. Presently, it is moving towards this resistance and trying to retest and break this resistance over here. This is going to be the next resistance. This is going to be acting as a support, and this is going to be the next support. Presently, this level is acting as a strong support for the bullish trend. Any break below this level, we can see a trend reversal to happen. And trend reversal, if it happens, the downside next level is going to be, this is going to be next level, and downside support next level is going to be over here. Next bottommost level is going to be over here. So this is going to be acting as a strong support. This is where it took its uptrend. So we are hoping this to act as a strong support. Any break below this, we can say that trend reversal happens and we can see it testing, retracing to the bottommost support over here. So if it manages to break this resistance over here, we can next level on the upside is going to be over here, and next level, this is going to be next level, and next target is going to be over here. Then we have the channel pattern acting as a resistance over here, and we have a dynamic resistance also from daily time frame acting here. So we might see a trend reversal if it manages to go up to here and retrace to the support line over here, which is presently acting as a resistance. These are all going to be the ranges for trades for next week, or at least for Monday. Let us see how price action goes on Monday. Thank you for watching this video. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and join our Telegram channel. The joining link for our Telegram channel is below this video. Please use it to join our Telegram channel.